In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set default signature in Outlook. By the end, your emails will automatically include the signature you want, whether you're composing a brand new message or replying to a thread. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, type Outlook and select the official Outlook website from the results. Once you're in your mailbox, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon to open Settings. This is where we'll control how your messages look and behave. In the Settings panel, navigate to the Account section. From there, find and select Signatures. This page lists any signatures you've already created. If you have more than one, choose the one you want to use as your default. Selecting it will highlight the signature you're about to manage. Next, click the pencil icon to edit. This opens the editor where you can refine your signature text, adjust formatting, and make sure details like your job title and links are accurate. Keep it clean and readable. Avoid overloading it with images or long disclaimers that can clutter replies. If you need multiple versions, say a full signature for new emails and a shorter one for replies, make sure both exist in your list so you can set them appropriately. Below the editor, look for the option to set this signature as the default for new messages. Turn that on if you want every new email to include this signature automatically. Right under it, you'll see the option to set it as the default for replies and forwards. Enable this if you want the same signature to appear in ongoing conversations. Many people prefer a shorter signature for replies to keep threads tidy, so choose what makes sense for you. When you're happy with your choices, click Save. Saving locks in your defaults, so Outlook applies them without you needing to add the signature manually each time. Let's quickly confirm it worked. Go back to your mailbox and click New Mail. In the Compose window, check the bottom of the message body. You should now see the signature you set as the default already inserted. If it isn't there, give the page a quick refresh and revisit the signatures settings to make sure the correct signature is selected for new messages and for replies or forwards. That's all there is to it. With your default signature set, you'll send polished, consistent emails every time.